Magnetic mount pad. This self-adhesive magnetic mount pad for aluminum cabs sticks to your cab roof, allowing you to use magnetic mounts. Made for USR with light bars, strobe beacons, spotlights, and more. Durable and easy to install. With a black powder-coated finish for style and durability, it features a strong and sticky 3M tape that holds the plate tight, keeping it on your truck cab even through inclement weather. Lighting accessories. Buyer's line of stick-on reflectors, LED truck lights, work lights, and warning lights are perfect for large commercial, utility and construction vehicles as well as UTVs, ATVs and everything in between. We do things the right way. We design products like we're building them for ourselves, because we are. Our teams are staffed with engineers and experts who know how to make a product exceptional. Durable and dependable. Founded in 1946, Buyers Products has become a leader in the truck equipment industry, though our commitment to customer care, innovation, and value across our range of products. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. The coating on the plate is well made. The plate is thick enough not to warp or bend. After several thousand miles of highway speed, it still performs like new. It also went through some horrendous rainstorms. I was doubtful of the tape that was used, but if you clean the surface that it's going to be attached to, and use alcohol pads to further clean it, it will hold firmly.